So, this is the bird repellent tape. Okay, and these are the instructions that come with it. Right. My parents have a cherry tree, and that's where this is going to go. Okay, and what it says to do, I told them already that I had to show you great people how to do this. It's sort of hard to peel off at first. You take and you twist it, and you hang it everywhere on the tree. So you got it like a twist. You know how you would do for a birthday party? You got that. So when it's moving. Now, a couple of things that it says on this. I'm going to rub it back up. Because like I said, this is going on the tree, and I want it to be perfect for when it goes on there. I love cherries. Now it says here, up here it does tell you that that you need to put poles or stakes or something to hold it vertically, but it also tells you exactly what to do for your garden, for trees, for fruit trees. It says to hold it above it, but you can't do that on a tree too much. It's sort of hard. But if you can't do that, to put it, run it across and under the bushes, under the branches, and put it in every direction. So, and they give you quite a bit of this. So, we're going to try it. The birds are always eating all the cherries. This is a good way of trying to save those cherries without using any pesticides. It also says on here, don't staple it. So I'm assuming that if you put a staple in there or a nail in there or something like that, this is going to rip while it's blowing in the rain, in the wind, in the rain, in the yuck. So, it says to tape it. And they use a glue to hold this down. It's really a pretty hard little glue. So, and it sticks really pretty good. So, maybe it's a two-sided tape. I don't know. So, it sticks really good to everything. Just to things. According to this sticky that they got on here. So, yeah. I can't wait to put this up. Going to see Mom this weekend, and this is one of her little prizes I'm bringing her. Have a good one.